Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a simple and legit way to get a free Canva subscription. Whether you are a student, content creator or someone who loves designing, this trick will give you access to all the premium features without spending a single rupee. So make sure you watch till the end and follow each step carefully. As you can see, we have no premium subscription yet. Head towards Chrome, search Bingo Tingo and click the first link that appears. Scroll down and go to the best social media platform. Click on it and scroll down. You will see a free guide option here. Wait for a minute until you get the download option. Click on it and get code option. The first time the ad appears and the second time you will get a free Canva subscription. As you can see, all the Canva Premium options, utilities and elements are free to use. You can also download the best quality of Canva projects. That's all for today. Hope so the video helped you a lot. If you liked the video, don't forget to share and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.